one more person would like to share?
Hi everyone, we are going to see the cow. Ashes is out from the playground.
You guys is very funny, guys. Hey, look, that chicken has legs.
All the chickens got legs. You mean hair? The chicken got hair. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
I'm sitting here under the shade. It's so hot. So hot. So they have a space here to sit down. So I'm just sitting and relaxing, waiting for Asher to come back from his train ride. Mailu, which is this one. So, farm fresh, and inside they gave me a sample of sachet. So